Arooj, you wanted to talk?
Yes, Sam. I feel very sad these days.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
My friends laugh at me when I speak English. I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous. I will try my best to speak.
They laugh at you?
Yes, my English is not good. I make mistakes when I speak.
That must feel very bad.
It does. Now I feel afraid to speak English.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking in front of people.
That's understandable. It's not easy. Don't be afraid, Arooj.
But I'm scared.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
But I always feel like I fail.
Failing is part of learning. Mistakes help us grow.
Then tell me, Sam, how can I improve my English?
Start with the simple present tense,
Why that tense?
because we use it every day. For habits, for facts, for daily life.
Oh, daily life sentences.
Exactly. Let me show you. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth as well. I drink water. I drink tea.
See? These are simple present sentences.
They are easy to understand.
And very powerful.
Let's practice. Simple sentences first. I go to school. I read books. I drink milk. I eat rice.
Excellent!
I play with my sister. I walk to the market.
Great job. Wonderful, Arooj. You are improving fast.
Really? Are you proud of me?
Of course I am. Keep practicing every day. Okay, answer my first question. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
What's next?
I wash my face.
What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Very good. Do you read English?
Yes, I read short stories.
Do you read aloud?
No, silently.
Try reading aloud. It helps your speaking.
I will try.
Watch English movies too. Use subtitles if needed.
Okay, one movie every week. I speak English with joy now. I am not afraid anymore. I believe in myself. If you like this video, please subscribe. Subscribe to learn English with me. See you in the next lesson.